Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Finance Tube. I am your friend and finance guru Vishal Thakkar, back again with an interesting topic of discussion. Today's topic of discussion is how can finance transform lives? So let me tell you friends, we have come up with 3 new laws of finance. Yes, you had heard about laws of motion by Newton. Unlike Newton, we have come up with a very different laws of finance. And today, I'm going to talk about law number 1 of finance. Law number 1 of finance says every action has a financial reaction. Think about it. Everything that you do in your life, personally as well as professionally, has a profound financial reaction. And friends, it is not the amount of money that you have in your pocket decides your future, but what you do with that money actually decides your future. If you feel that more money can solve your problem, it's not true. Why? Simply because you have a fixed pattern of how you think when you have money with you. And that pattern decides whether you will grow rich year on year or you will go poorer year on year. So, what you need to do is you need to transform your life financially and get yourself a very good coach. A person who can walk the talk, a person who can tell you how to implement the learnings that you are gathering by watching these videos, reading all the books, attending all the seminars, going through the webinars, going through so much of content on the internet. Unless you are able to transform all of that learning into action and are able to create a positive and a sustainable financial future for yourself, all the learning will go waste. Yes, I usually don't do brand endorsements in my video and I am not being paid for this, but I am telling you that at times after learning so much, it is wise to wear Nike shoes. Nike shoes? What are you talking about, Vishal? Yeah, Nike shoes. I mean to say, just do it, okay? That's the best slogan that I've found till date in my life, and I have implemented all the learnings that I have gathered from various sources. So last video I told you, go and negotiate with a banker for a lower rate of interest. Did you go and just did it, or are you still waiting? I have over 100 videos on this channel telling you, urging you, making you understand newer concepts. Did you imbibe them and implement them in your lives? No? Then go ahead. You are just one video away from doing it. Yes, in this COVID year, you don't have surplus money, but you have surplus time. And in order to convert your surplus time into surplus money, this channel alone is sufficient if you are able to implement whatever has been taught to you in hundreds of videos that have just passed by in last 6 years. So take my advice seriously. Go and just do it. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel, Finance Tube.